My name is Sharon. Welcome to the Cozy Jump Studio. I imagine this curiosity cabinet as belonging to a captain of a ship. It holds some of his personal belongings, as well as items he may have used in his daily life. We are going to look through this and discover some of the things that were most precious to him. Now, this little cabinet has 3 drawers, and the bottom drawer is where he kept his personal journal. It's made of gray leather and has a beautiful little stone from one of his wife's piece of broken jewelry, along with a tiny seashell to remind him of why he does what he does. Inside, you will find plenty of writing space, along with a photo of the captain and his wife. The photo of his wife is an original antique photo from the Victorian era. And throughout the journal, there are lots of different things that he could have used in his daily life, including maps, calendars, and different species of sea life. The first page is part of a really old antique letter that flips out and has lots of beautiful scripting. There are many dyed papers throughout this and handmade items, including old photos of ships, calendars, and many more items to help when writing about his discoveries. This little journal fits perfectly in this little drawer. Lying nestled below the journal is this little notepad for extra space of writing, and includes a letter from the early 1900s. The middle drawer holds lots of interesting items that the captain was able to use in his journal, including numbers, photos, labels, and advertisement cards for upcoming events he may have wanted to attend. There are many different cards here, including tickets, tags, and information about sea life. That is a beautiful statue of 2 little girls from the front of a ship. This beautiful piece is a replica photo of what's called scrimshaw. Scrimshaw is carving and art in whalebone. This last drawer holds some very personal effects, including little items such as buttons, paper clips, cogs, things that he might need in his everyday life. Little keys, little safety pins, little seashells he's found along the way. The captain also keeps little messages in a bottle with a St. Christopher attached to it to toss in the sea wherever he goes. This last little pouch holds some information that he uses, such as little exercises to do, little hacks he can pick out and purchase, maps, and shirts of different styles he can order. There's also a chart of different styles of haircuts for him to choose when he stops along the way at the ports. If you would like to see how this curio cabinet was made, look in the description box below. If you would like to purchase this, look in the description box below for the link to my Etsy shop.